Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. It's Pam and Ricki.
Hey everybody.
So today I'm making a broiled salmon salad.
This salad, I'm gonna tell y'all, this is like my favorite salad. Ricki made this for me. Made this for me one year for Mother's Day, and I've been requesting it all the time. It is delicious. But go ahead, Ricki. I'm sorry. I just had to say that.
That's okay. I'm just seasoning some skinless salmon. You can use the salmon with the skin on it, but I just find it easier to use the salmon without the skin because I'm going to cut it up and put it into the salad. But
yeah, that makes it easier.
I've seasoned it with Lawry's garlic powder, onion powder, some Sazon. I'm only gonna put that on one side because Sazon has salt in it, and I've already used Lawry's on both sides. And I'm also gonna put some Old Bay, some Parsley Flakes, and some Oregano on it as well. And did I say butter? I'm also gonna put some butter on there if I didn't say that.
Oh yeah, that makes for good basting.
Yes. Speaking of basting, I also put a little bit of water at the bottom of the pan. Just enough to cover it, cover the bottom, not the salmon, cover the bottom of the pan, just so I have something to baste with, So I'm going to put it
down and mixes with that oregano, makes it really good.
So I'm going to put it in the oven on broil for about 15, maybe 20 minutes. And my mom, who is my sous chef for the day,
gladly,
she's going to be cutting up the vegetables and the, I guess, toppings. Are they called toppings?
Yeah, girl, it's going on top of the lettuce.
Yeah, I guess.
All right.
I guess. So there's the water I was talking about. I'm putting in the bottom.
But I know what you meant by toppings. So normally it's like ketchup.
Because you mix it, right? You mix it in.
Whatever. Different things like that. But whatever. Okay, so here I'm just going to cut up these vegetables. I'm going to start out with my tomatoes. And I just cut them in half or just small pieces, however you want to. You can even use a regular sized tomato and just cut it in larger slices. However you want to do it. This is just the way we like to do it. And then after that, I'm just going to put it in a bowl. And then I'm also going to cut a cucumber. That's, really easy. Just slice it, however you want it, large or small. I like to cut the slices and then just like maybe cut them in half, just bite size, so I could just grab it, with the fork and just, that way it makes it easier. So, but however you want to do it is fine.
And you can peel them too, but I prefer it not. I love cucumber. I could just pick up a cucumber and bite it. But I like to keep the skin on for color. It makes the salad look even prettier because it just, the peeled cucumber just kind of blends in with the leaves if you...
And this salad is my only time where I really enjoy cucumbers, because normally I can do without a cucumber. But in this salad, it's like it has so much other good stuff with it. It makes it easier for me to eat it, And so these onions I'm gonna cut up, and now I know, look, I am not the best at cutting up onions. So look, I'm just gonna cut it and get it in there. You can cut them up in slices, or you can dice it, or whatever you want to do. But I just wanna make it, bite size. And red onions are really strong, but they taste really good in the salad.
So here I am basting the salmon. It's not quite done, but it's important to baste it throughout so it won't be dry.
Oh, now look. We are not going to even talk about how I can jack up an avocado. Trying to get the seed out. I have to practice. Okay, I got that part right. Okay, so now let me see. I'm probably see, I must have jacked it up. We cut that all the way out. Okay, but anyway, I'm gonna slice it up. Gonna put the you want to score it or put the lines in it, so when you scoop it out, it'll be more like in slice form, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, but Ricky's a professional at that. I thought I'd just try my hand at it. But as you can see, I'm not the best at it. But hey.
Hey, you still got slices.
Okay.
They all taste the same.
Right. And that's all that matters. So they don't have to be pretty. Doesn't have to be perfect. As long as it fits perfectly on top of that lettuce in that bowl, that's all I care about. So there you have it.
Okay, so
That's
this
looking
is the
good.
salmon. I've taken it out of the oven.
Look at that.
Yeah, that looked pretty good.
Yeah. All right, girl.
Look at the basting though.
Mm-hmm.
Look at it.
All right now.
What you said? Jesus is on the main line.
He on the main line, girl.
But yeah, so now I'm gonna make the dressing. You can use this also as a marinade for your salmon, but
and it's so good.
yes,
It's light and it's what I call guilt-free dressing because it's not a lot of fat and everything in it. It's not heavy and it gives the salad a really good like lemony flavor.
Mm-hmm.
So it's really good.
So that was a half a cup of oil, and then a fourth of a cup of lemon juice. And then I'm just eyeballing the oregano and the parsley. And then it's also going to be 2 tablespoons of minced garlic and a little bit of salt to taste. I actually use my mom as the taste tester for this dressing.
Hey, gladly.
For this dressing because I typically use just a little bit of it, and then I put some raspberry vinaigrette on my salad. But she mainly uses this as her dressing. Her dressing for her salad. So,
and then I love too that I can, have it the next day. I usually just have a couple pieces of salmon and make 2 salads whenever I have this salad, and then I can save the rest of the. Oh, girl, look at that! I save the rest of this dressing for the second day, and my husband loves it too. This is his favorite too. He loves salmon. That's his favorite. So this salad, we be fighting over this. Like, okay, I'm gonna save you the other half for tomorrow, I guess. But anyway, yeah, this is our favorite.
Okay, so here I am assembling the salad. You don't have to put your toppings on.
Let's get into the good part. I'm sorry. Go ahead, Ricky. No, mama, girl.
That's hectic right there.
I'm thinking.
It's hectic. As I was saying,
Okay.
I'm assembling the salad, and you don't have to be as neat as I'm being. I'm just, it's going on YouTube, so you gotta make it look fresh to death. So I have my salmon, and I put my tomato on it as well, and my onion. That's my cucumber.
But I like it. I like for it to be like this, assembled in this manner, because I can eat it the way I want to. Because I'm very methodical when I eat my salad. Oh. I like to eat certain, I don't want too much lettuce in this bite or whatever.
She got a
so
process.
I just I just grab a little bit of this at, certain times, stir it up a little bit, and I put me some, what you call those, walnuts?
Oh, the honey roasted
walnut. And my son even suggested some bacon.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Now you're really trying to hurt somebody.
Yeah, the feta cheese is my favorite part of the salad. That's what I'm putting in the middle. The feta cheese is like...
it's very good. I love... This is the only time I eat feta cheese, too. So that's another reason why I love this salad, because I'm eating cucumbers that I don't normally eat, which are great for you, and I'm eating feta cheese. And I just love... I love this all together. It's just really a great salad. So
got a couple lemon wedges on the side for some extra lemony flavor, and I'm putting the dressing on it.
Oh, look at that. It's delicious. Girl. And then she put the oregano in this dressing, and there's some sprinkled on top of the salad too. Oh man, this salad is delicious.
So if you guys try this salad out, let us know how it goes in the comments. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.
See ya.